Most people get bank comparisons wrong by focusing solely on interest rates. Bank of America and Northern Trust are very different, and understanding their strengths can help you pick the right fit. Bank of America is a large retail bank with extensive branch networks and ATMs across the U.S. It offers checking, savings, credit cards, and investment services. For everyday banking, it's convenient and widely accessible. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the importance of physical branches for certain services. Northern Trust, on the other hand, focuses on wealth management and high net worth clients. It provides personalized investment advisory, estate planning, and private banking. If you have substantial assets, Northern Trust offers services that a standard retail bank cannot. The surprising truth is that Northern Trust excels in client customization and relationship management rather than everyday transactions. Fees and accessibility differ. Bank of America has more affordable minimums for checking and savings, while Northern Trust often requires high account balances. Bank of America offers online banking, mobile apps, and rewards cards, making it suitable for most consumers. Northern Trust shines for tailored wealth solutions, but is practical for daily banking. In conclusion, choose Bank of America if you need accessible, versatile banking with moderate balances. Opt for Northern Trust if you have significant assets and want personalized wealth management. Most people get this wrong by assuming one bank fits all, but each serves a very different audience. Subscribe for more banking comparisons and guides to find the right financial partner for your needs.